Hello guys, my name is Abdullah bin Mahfud. So today I'm going to present one of physics application in our daily life, which is the heat. So let's go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Muhammad Mahfud. So in application of physics in daily life, we're going to talk about how do we cook food with heat. So, have you guys ever wondered how do we cook our pizza or burger or our national dish, which is nasi lemak, and how we eat them like in hot? Of course, you don't want to eat your food in cold, right? So you want to eat it in a hot, like fresh, hot. So let's go. Let's go to the definition of heat. So what is heat? So heat are just the transfer of energy from hot object to cold objects, or heat is just the transfer of energy from high temperature object to low temperature object. So I want you to keep in your mind the word high temperature object to low temperature object. Also, maybe hot object to colder object. Heat is a transfer of energy, but I want to keep in your mind these two words: hot object to colder object, or high temperature object to low temperature object. So let's try take example. So let's say you have an ice, and you take the ice and you hold it, you press it, right? So what happened to the ice? The ice will melt. So you wonder why the ice melts. So the reason is because your hand has that higher temperature than the ice. So as we know, heat are just the transfer of energy from high temperature object to low temperature object. So the heat from your hand will move to the ice, causing the ice to melt. So let's go to another part, which is how heat are transferred. There are various ways. There are three. For example, we have conduction, convection, and also radiation. So for conduction, it is a transfer of energy from one molecule to another by direct contact. Usually it happens in solid material. Or if you want to understand better what is conduction like, it's like you hug someone. When you hug someone, the warmth from that person will transfer to your body, so you can feel the warmth from that person. So that's how conduction works. And then we have convection, which is a movement of heat by fluid. Fluid is usually liquid and gas. So an example of convection is like when you are heating a water in a kettle. And lastly, we have radiation, which is the transfer of heat by electromagnetic wave. Usually, an example of radiation is like our sun. The heat from the sun move through the vacuum of space and then to the earth. So that's how our earth get the heat. You know, what's so special about radiation is that it doesn't need any matter for the heat to be transferred. Like unlike the convection or conduction. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you can understand from my video. That's all. Thank you.